Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am so happy to talk to you today about someone really special. Just not a magic wand and it's not a superhero cap, but it is a superpower that single one of you can have. That superpower is reading. Sometimes reading can feel like homework or something your teachers make you do. But trust me, reading makes your brain strong. Reading makes your muscles strong, brain strong. Reading strong, brain strong. Just like playing and sports or rounding makes your muscles strong. Reading makes your brain strong. Every time you read a word, it's your brain learning something new. It learns to talk about it, think and feel. It's about history and all amazing thing in our world. When your brain is strong, it helps you in school, it helps you understand our people, follow instructions and become a great problem solver. It's like giving your brain really healthy meal every day. Reading help it to kind and smart. One of the coolest anything book is that there. When you read a story about someone, you learn that joy feel, how he is happy. When you read about someone, how he is sad or having a tough day, you learn that empathy is that maintain. You learn how to carry things in our feeling. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.